The tiny CyberSquad is trying to help Francis and the other amphibians make it to the vernal pond on this, the most important night of their lives. It's been a difficult journey, and now Inez, Matt, and Francis face their biggest challenge yet.
We could be stuck here all night. But I need to get to the pond. I know. Okay, we need a plan.
I think I have one.
Matt, what are you doing? Careful!
Don't worry. This owl just needs to lighten up a little. Now's our chance.
How did you know the flashlight would scare away the owl?
Had an owl on the farm once. It was going after our chickens, but Pop-Pop shined a light on it, and off it flew.
Francis! They found you!
You're the best, CyberSquad. To the pond.
Check out that tunnel.
It's tree root tunnel. Follow me.
So cool!
Whoa!
Whoa, amazing.
Oh, we're getting close to the pond. How do you know? I remember. It's on the other side of Muddy Peaks.
Climbing Muddy Peaks isn't easy because it's, you guessed it, muddy.
I'm stuck.
Don't worry, we got you.
Thanks. Yuck. We're almost at the pond. Just a few more hops.
Cool.
Wow.
We did it!
Oh, at last, the moment the amphibians have been waiting for.
Nothing can stop them now.
Except an enormous moose.
Will Francis and the amphibians find a way to get past the moose and find their mates? Find out on the exciting conclusion of The Big Night!
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.